Japan's new fuel economy standards will apply to passenger vehicles starting in model year 2030. They will require a 32.4% improvement in fleet average fuel economy over the 2016 average. There are also design changes. The 2030 standards change the type cycle from JC08 to WLTP, the Worldwide Harmonized Light-Duty Vehicle Test Procedure. The scope is expanded to cover electric vehicles. As a result, upstream fuel efficiency is calculated. Additionally, as this chart shows, a linear curve of fuel economy based on vehicle weight replaced bin-based targets. The blue dots shows the 2018 performance of some models that have been tested under WLTP relative to the 2030 curve. In the second chart, we compare Japan's standards with existing requirements in other major vehicle markets under WLTP. As you can see, standards from the European Union and Japan are the most progressive, both in terms of stringency and time frame. The regulatory details of Japan's 2030 standards will be finalized by the end of fiscal year 2020.